Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about writing your own functions. Functions in programming are essential blocks of code designed to execute specific tasks. By creating your functions, you can enhance code organization, readability, and efficiency. For example, if you have a repetitive task such as calculating the average of numbers in multiple places in your code, you can create a function named calculateAverage to handle this calculation. This way, you avoid duplicating the code for the average calculation each time, and instead call the calculateAverage function whenever needed. This simplifies your codebase, making it easier to maintain and understand. A function in Python is created by using the def keyword followed by the function name and parentheses. Any input parameters are defined within the parentheses. The function's code block, which is the set of instructions to be executed, is indented below the function definition. For instance, the greet function shown in the provided example takes a parameter named name and returns a greeting message that includes the value of the name parameter. When a function is defined in Python, it can be invoked by using the function name along with parentheses that may hold necessary arguments. The function will then execute its code block and provide a return value if specified. In the given Python code snippet, the function greet is called with the argument Alice passed to it. The function would run its internal code and return a message that gets assigned to the variable message. Finally, the message stored in the variable message is printed to the output. The return statement in Python is employed to define the value that a function should produce upon execution. If a function lacks a return statement, it will automatically return none. In the provided Python snippet, the addNumbers function receives two parameters, a and b, and returns their sum through the return a plus b statement. Consequently, when addNumbers 5.3 is executed, the function returns 8, which is subsequently printed through printResult. Writing your own functions is like creating a recipe for a dish you love. Just like a recipe guides you through the steps of cooking a delicious meal, a function in programming guides a series of operations. You can customize the ingredients and steps in your recipe to suit your taste, just like you can customize the operations and inputs in your function to achieve specific outcomes. By writing your own functions, you can save time and effort by reusing the same set of instructions whenever needed. Just like you can easily recreate a favorite dish by following your own recipe. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet provided illustrates the concept of writing your own functions in R by creating a function to calculate the area of a rectangle. The function calculateRectangleSquircleArea takes two parameters, length and width, multiplies them to find the area, and then returns the value. In the analogy used, writing a function is likened to creating a recipe for a dish. Just as a recipe provides a set of instructions to prepare a specific dish, a function encapsulates a sequence of operations to achieve a particular task or computation. By defining the function, you essentially create a reusable set of instructions that can be called whenever you need to calculate the area of a rectangle with specific dimensions. Once the function is defined, it can be used by providing the required inputs, in this case, the length and width of the rectangle. The function is then called with these values to calculate the area, which is stored in the variable rectangle area. Finally, the result is displayed using cat to show the area of the rectangle with the given length and width. This output completes the process, demonstrating how the function efficiently computes the area based on the provided inputs. This approach of writing and using functions not only simplifies complex calculations, but also promotes code reusability and maintainability. Just like having a well-crafted recipe allows you to recreate a delicious dish anytime, creating functions in programming enables you to perform specific tasks consistently and accurately whenever needed, One real-world application where writing your own functions is essential is in the field of financial modeling. For example, investment banks often rely on customized functions to calculate complex financial metrics such as net present value, NPV, internal rate of return, IRR, or bond pricing. By creating functions that encapsulate these calculations, financial analysts can streamline their modeling process and ensure accuracy and consistency across different financial scenarios. Another industrial example where writing your own functions is crucial is in the development of bioinformatics tools. Biologists and geneticists create custom functions to analyze large genomic data sets, perform sequence alignments, or predict protein structures. These functions help researchers automate repetitive tasks, conduct statistical analyses, and extract meaningful insights from genetic data effectively. Custom functions play a vital role in accelerating scientific discoveries in the field of genomics and bioinformatics. Across the globe, writing custom functions is not just about simplifying and automating tasks, but also about empowering users to tailor solutions to their specific needs and challenges, ultimately fostering innovation and efficiency in various industries. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.